Welcome to the November 30th, 6 o'clock meeting of the Board of Ed. And we are going to be doing our budget information session. This is seeking community input. And does anyone wish to make any community input? Come on up, tell us your name.
My name is Amy Alomar. I live at 56 Westland Road in Avon. So I'm coming at this a little bit ignorant because I'm just starting to follow the budgeting process. But last year I felt like I came into it a little bit late, and I just wanted to express concern that it seems from my perspective that we feel as a Board of Ed, we feel limited, that we can't ask for more money than we think the town will raise in taxes. And I would just like to express that I would hope that as a Board of Ed, we feel comfortable asking for what we need and not feeling limited by, I think it's called the mill rate, and it can only extend, 2.5% or something. Again, I'm ignorant on the details, but I feel like we are confined by that perception, and we need to ask for what we need to be a fully comprehensive high school. And that's been a concern that I've held with me since last spring when we had all those budget crunches with teams and guidance counselors and social worker cuts. So.
Thank you. We do have that overriding question of how much the taxes can be. Certainly last year we were given a larger raise than we have been given in a very long time, if not ever. So we did ask for what we need, and I think the Board of Finance and the town recognize that. This year we think we can do with a little bit less, but thank you for your comments. Yes, sometimes I do have the particular telephone rings. So thank you very much. Anyone else like to make comments or input for the budget? Come on up.
Hello. Hello.
And while I know who you are, maybe not everybody does, and certainly the cameraman doesn't. So why don't you tell us who you are?
Okay, I'm Katrina Marin, and I don't know if I just get my address or not, like the town council meetings or whatever, but I'm a resident here in Avon. And I teach children that attend Warrenbrook School, if that's necessary. Let's see here. All right, so let's see. So you wanted feedback on various positions, right? So any feedback is welcome. Okay. I fully agree with the new positions that are proposed. Definitely Director of Human Resources. I think that would definitely benefit the town, the schools, everyone here present. The other ones I think would be nice to have. I don't know if they are absolutely necessary or not. I'd rather see that money allocated instead to returning librarians full time at both schools.
Sorry, clarify for
Yes.
me. Going a little fast for me.
Okay.
Which ones did you support?
I support the Director of Human Resources.
Okay, and that's it?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Basically I would like to see that money allocated, or if not that, then programs such as Capturing Kids' Hearts, that money, instead of being used for that particular program, maybe, I know teachers have expressed to me interest in pursuing programs such as how to manage children with behavioral challenges in class that is actually beneficial to the students, the teachers, and the school entirely. The Chinese program, we are at their mercy on what they teach our children. There is no curriculum, there is no lesson plan in place. My son has been in this program for the past 4 years, and the only thing that he can say is, what is your name in Chinese? And my name is Max in Chinese. That's it, after 4 years. There is no, like I said, curriculum, no lesson plans. There is no testing for progress, and we are paying money for this. I know that we do get some, funds allocated back from the Confucius Institute, but again, like I said, we're at their mercy. So I'd like to see those funds given back to hiring librarians full time.
I don't know how to respond to that.
I don't either, Siri. Sorry about that. I don't know how that happened. She's temperamental. It's a love-hate relationship. Anyway, so also in regards to the STEM, I am curious to know, I don't know if you're going to be waiting when you hire someone for the half-time position, if they're going to institute a curriculum or if you're going to create one for that position, or are you just going to wait for that? And also, like I said, students, okay. Yeah, so and if you wanted to continue with something in regards to the Capturing Kids' Hearts program, if you will, I would rather see it funneled more towards like responsive classroom courses that actually have proven beneficial methods. And that's it for starters. I'll come back on Monday.
Okay, well, thank you very much. All right, does anyone else have any comments? Anyone else like to make any public statement? Going once? Going twice? All right, it looks as though we don't have further comments. So we've had a sheet handed out to us, and it's probably not going to work terribly well because I suspect the editing process may take too long to have it, but at least I'll announce it so that everybody knows. On Monday, December 4, Representative Elizabeth Esty will be coming to present the Congressional App Challenge Award to Deepa and Jaya Hari, and I probably mispronounced their names, and I apologize in advance for that. Between 12:15 and 12:45, it will take place in the Distance Learning Lab during the A3 AP Computer Science A class. So just want to make sure people knew about that. Is that open for the public or no?
I don't think for the public, but
All right,
for parents and board
for
members.
parents and board members, got it. And then we have the second item on Monday night, also December 4. Representative Kevin Whitkos will be attending the Girls Who Code Club to observe what the girls are working on. Though no formal presentation is planned, he will have an opportunity to interact with the students and observe what the club is working on as an impact project. And this will occur in the Distance Learning Lab from 6 to 8 p.m.
We'll be having a meeting that same time.
Yes, we will, as a matter of fact. So the policy committee meeting is
At
6 o'clock.
to 6:30.
Correct, and at 6:30, I understand the interim superintendent would like to have us convene a little bit early to engage in a executive session. Can everybody do that?
Will that be
Yes,
here?
it'll be here.
At the high school?
All of it here, yeah.
All of this.
Policy and everything at the high
Policy at 6:30 start. Executive or just the regular meeting?
Oh, start with executive session, and then when you go into public, do your budget deliberations.
Budget deliberations. Okay,
And we'll
questions?
have to update the special notice.
Yes, tomorrow.
All right, so,
So policy will start at 6 and then
6
we'll go
to
on.
6:30. Yep.
correct. Anything else? Does anyone have any problems with that? Nope. Everybody is, of course, warmly welcome. There you go. All right, so that will be posted.
That'll
Is
be
there
posted.
anything else that I need to cover? I don't think so.
Nothing else. The reason the invitation is extended to the board and parents for next week is because it's Computer Education Week next week. So we're launching it, the high school is launching it with those two events.
So I understand that, just to blow our horn a little bit, this is a State of Connecticut award in terms of it's given by Congress, but it's the eligible field is the entire state of Connecticut, and we won it. So I think we can say that they did very, very well. So to come out #1 for the whole state, even though Connecticut is a small state, it's still a great thing, and we did it, so I'm very proud of our students.
We are as well.
Excellent. All right. Anything else we need to cover? I've talked slowly enough so that I think that if they want to be here, they'll be here, although there are a number of cars here.
What, you're saying there's supposed to be more people?
Well, you never know.
Should we wait a little while?
Last time we didn't have anybody show up. All right, I'll entertain a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
All right. Mr. Burke moves. Any discussion? All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstention? Carries unanimously. Not the shortest meeting on record, but a short one.